Hey there guys, I'm Cordero McMurray with this weekend movie sponsor, Goettl, Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Joining me is Ben Tracy with the company. Ben, how's it going?
Going great, how are you?
I'm doing well. Tell us about Goettl for those who may not know.
So Goettl was founded in 1939 by two brothers, Adam and Gus Goettl, in Arizona. It was originally named Goettl Metal Products. They produced sheet metal and cooling products at that time. Goettl brothers were pioneers in the heating and cooling, making the Southwest comfortable to live in. In 2017, Goettl expanded to San Antonio, where we continue to bring integrity and excellence to everything we do. We repair ACs, replace, maintenance, installations, swamp coolers, furnaces, and then of course our plumbing work, where we go into water heaters, water treatment, and sewers, clogs, drains.
Everything there, fantastic, Ben. All right guys, now when we come back, we're gonna talk about the things that you shouldn't put down your drain or garbage disposals.